How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we are looking at the Philips Multigroom 7000. It says it's their most advanced cutting system. So this is an all-in-one trimmer, so it's just for like your face and maybe other areas if you choose to do so. But I picked this up on Amazon and I was looking for a groomer, and this had the best reviews. The most amount of people bought it, so I decided to grab this one. I will link it in the description box below if you want to check out what the current pricing is at the time of you watching this video. Let's go ahead and pop this open though, so we can get a good idea at what it looks like here. We'll go ahead and just slide that open right there, and we'll go ahead and pop it open just from the top right here. And let's slide it on open. Okay, very nice. Good presentation here. So we do, obviously, we've got the trimmer right there. Let's go ahead and see all the different pieces that we get. So here's our first one right here, which is a little bit bigger one. We've got the nose hair trimmer, so that's going to come in handy for me. I'm just kidding. And we've got, looks to be like one of the shorter, like the more like precise trimmer pieces. And this is a nice metal piece, which is good. Feels good quality. We've got the little bit thicker one right here, so maybe for eyebrows of some sort. We've got a very, very thin one here, very tiny one here, so that one's going to be for more precision areas. And this one looks to be like a thicker one as well, so maybe this one you could use for eyebrows or to clean up different areas and stuff like that, which is really neat. Let's go ahead and grab this piece out here. Oh, it's almost like a surprise. I lift it up and then we see the bottom, and we've got a bunch more stuff. So let's actually look at all this. So we've got our charger, so looks to be like a proprietary battery charger right here, which is good. We'll have to charge it up. And we've got a ton of other different trimmer pieces here as well. So there's a lot more than I thought that there was going to be. Look at all of these. So there's just tons of different options and styles and sizes. We've got a little comb so we can clean it out. And then we've got, looks to be a nice little bag that we can throw all of these things in here. So how many are there? How many pieces for the trimmer are there? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 different pieces and your charger that you can use for this trimmer. So that's super cool. So let's go ahead and grab the trimmer out itself, and let's kind of get a first look at what the feel is as I break the cord that just held it together. But very nice. I like the quality feel of it is fantastic because it's an all metal body on there, which is really nice. So I like that quality feel. It looks like we've got the thinnest piece built into it. We've got a little power button right here. Obviously we do need to charge it up. When I press it, you can see it's blinking that it's got no power to it right now, so we do need to charge it. But overall, I'm actually quite happy for the price of this. It feels a lot higher quality. It feels a lot more expensive than I thought it would be. I thought it was just going to be like a cheap plastic razor, but I really like the quality feel of this. So this is going to be super exciting to try out all the different trimmer pieces and stuff, as you can see right here. Obviously we're going to charge it up before we do so, but guys, let me know in the comments section down below if you've got one of these or if you're going to pick one up. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.